iPhone users, welcome to Eassiy Official. Imagine holding a like-new iPhone in your hand, only to be blocked by someone else's Apple ID. Trapped, powerless, and just one wrong move away from losing your data forever. Discover the foolproof way to eject the old owner's Apple ID. How to remove previous owner Apple ID from unlocked iPhone, iPad without password. Way 1. Use Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Passixer is an iOS unlocking software that resets iPhones easily. Its Remove Apple ID feature lets you bypass iCloud passwords and Find My iPhone, making it perfect for secondhand devices. It works with all iOS versions, removes old Apple IDs, and wipes passcodes, even on unresponsive screens. Go to the Passixer website and download the application. Install it on your computer. Launch the Passixer application. In the Passixer interface, select the option to remove Apple ID. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. The software will assist you throughout the process. Ensure that your iPhone remains connected during the whole operation. Passixer will eliminate the Apple ID and reset your iPhone. Once the procedure is finished, your iPhone will reboot and you can set it up as new without requiring the previous Apple ID. Way 2. Erase iPhone in settings. This method works with iOS 15.2 or later. To begin, repeatedly enter an incorrect screen passcode on your iPhone until you see a message that says, iPhone unavailable, security lockout. Try again in X minutes. Next, look for and select the Erase iPhone option. This will bring up a new screen titled Erase All Content and Settings. Choose Erase iPhone again and enter your Apple ID password in the required field to continue. Way 3. Reset iPhone with Apple devices, iTunes, or Finder. If the previous methods don't work, you can also use iTunes to reset your iPhone without the screen time passcode. Try these steps based on your iPhone model. For iPhone X and newer models, including the iPhone SE 2nd generation, iPhone 8, and iPhone 8 Plus, start by powering off your device. Next, press and hold the side button while connecting it to your computer. For the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold the volume down button while making the connection. If you're using the iPhone SE 1st generation or earlier models like the iPhone 6s, hold down the home button while plugging it in. Once you're in recovery mode, open Finder on a Mac or iTunes on a Windows PC. When prompted, choose Restore and Update. Be sure not to disconnect your device during this process. Once it's finished, you can restore from a backup if you have one. Your iPhone will reboot and show the hello screen when it's done. How to remove the previous owner's Apple ID from an unlocked iPhone or iPad with the password. Way 1. Remove Apple ID with password. The simplest way to change your iPhone passcode is through the Settings app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad and tap your name at the top. Navigate to Sign In and Security, then select Change Password. Enter your iPhone passcode, type your new password in both the New and Verify fields, and tap Change in the top right corner to finalize. Way 2. Get rid of Apple ID via iCloud. Just go to iCloud.com in any web browser and log in with your Apple ID and password. If you've got two-factor authentication set up, you'll have to take care of that too. Once you're in, click on the Find iPhone option, then hit all devices at the top and select your iPhone from the list. Click Erase iPhone and confirm that you want to wipe everything. You might have to enter your Apple ID password again to finish up. After that, your iPhone will start erasing, which will take a few minutes. When it's done, it'll restart like it's completely new. How to remove previous owner's Apple ID from locked iPhone or iPad. Way 1. Remove Apple ID with password. During iPhone setup, if you encounter the activation lock screen, enter the Apple ID and password previously linked to the device. Tap Next or Continue to verify. Once the credentials are accepted, the iPhone will unlock, and you can proceed with the setup and use it as your own. Way 2. Use Screen Passcode. Alternatively, if the owner's credentials are available, tap Unlock with Passcode on the activation lock screen. Enter the previous owner's passcode when prompted. Once verified, the Apple ID will be removed, and you can proceed to set up the iPhone as a new device. Way 3. Start an activation lock removal request. If you legally bought the iPhone and have valid proof of purchase, Apple can help remove the previous owner's Apple ID. Just visit Apple's activation lock support page, sign in with your Apple ID, follow the instructions on the site to submit your request, and upload a receipt or invoice that proves ownership. If Apple approves it, you'll be able to set up and use your iPhone without any issues. If you have any questions or need additional help, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for the next one and remember to subscribe, like, and share. Your support is truly appreciated.